Hey guys, B here, and today, of course, I'm doing something. So I'm trying to I was making a comic, and of course, I had to design some characters. But I was designing characters. I don't know. I give it blush. Look at it. Isn't this beautiful? Like, don't tell me it isn't. Oh my god, wait. My blush looks so unnatural now. What did I do? Okay, you know what? That's good enough. We're gonna give it a little top hat. Please help me. I'm bored. If you can't tell right now, I'll show you guys the picture afterwards when it becomes better again. But besides that, oh my god, my neighbors are having a party. It's so freaking loud.